A dataset is a group of measurements that are meant to be collected at the same location and at the same time for easier data collection. Data collection set templates can be created at the organization level to be shared with partners or ad hoc at the event level. Every CBRNResponder event has an ad hoc data set that you can enter data into during a response. We will now begin with our first section, data collection set templates at the organization level. Data collection set templates created at the organization level can be added to events by default or can be added at a later time. Creating data set templates at the organization level allows you to pre-set up templates that you can use as part of your SOPs instead of recreating them each time a new event is created. You can create a new dataset template from scratch or create one by copying from an existing organizational dataset template. To begin, open the organization space, view the left-hand side navigation menu, and open the Set Templates side navigation option. Once on the data collection set templates page, you will see a list of all of your organization-wide set templates if you have any. To create a new data collection set, click the Create button, and then either select Create New or Copy from Existing. We'll start with Copy from Existing. For this option, you will search for an existing data collection set template that your organization has already created and select Continue. You will then be presented with a copy of the selected template pre-filled with the existing parameters. You will be required to enter a new name for the set and can then edit/remove data points. We'll now move on to Create New. Selecting Create New will bring you to a creation form where you will find the following options. Name, this is what will show up on the mobile app for users to select. Make the name easily identifiable, especially if you have multiple data sets. Next, we have description. Use this field to enter the instructions for the data collectors. And finally, we have add to events by default. If you select this checkbox, the template will be added to your events you create as well as any existing events sponsored by your organization. Once you enter the general information for the new template, you must add at least one assignment, and to do so, you must select Add Assignment to begin. Once you've selected Add Assignment, you will find the following options. First, you'll see Name again. Again, enter the name/title of the data point. Description, provide instructions on how to specifically collect this data point, if applicable. And data point type, depending on the event hazard types, which would be RAD, Chem, or Bio, you can choose which data point your users will submit. Once you select data point type, you will be presented with additional optional fields for the assignment that will be pre-filled for the data collector. Select Continue to add the assignment to the set template. Here's a quick video showing this process in action. As you see here, we have our entering a name, just example number 1. You select Add Assignment, give that data point a name as well. We're going to name this field Survey. And then, of course, here are your options. Note that this is a RAD-only event, so you only see RAD options. Once Field Survey was selected, you'd see the parameters that you have to choose from. These will automatically be available once you have saved this data collection set template. And once you're done, you would go ahead and select that Continue button. All of the parameters that you have chosen will be available for you right in that list as you see there. You will see the assignment or assignments you added in this child list. You can continue to add more assignments to the template. Please note that if you have more than one assignment, you can choose the order in which they will appear to the data collector. To do so, you would simply use these arrows you see on your right. Once you have added all of your assignments to the set template, select Save Changes. And now we'll move on to data collection set templates at the event level. Data collection set templates can be added to an event by copying from the event level or creating a new set specific to the event. Data set templates can be added from the sponsoring organization and/or any partnering organization on the event. A user can collect a data set via the CBRNResponder mobile app or the website. So to start, open Set Templates from the left-hand side navigation menu under the Configurations tab. From the Data Collection Set Templates page, you will see any set templates that are already on the event. To add set templates to your event, you can either create an ad hoc template to create a new data set for the specific event, or add existing templates from your organization or a partner organization by selecting Manage. We'll now begin with the first option of creating ad hoc. So when you select the Create Ad Hoc option, it will bring you to a new creation form. And again, here we have our options of name. This is what will show up on the mobile app for users to select. Again, make this name easily identifiable for your users. And we also have description. Please use this field to enter any instructions for your data collectors. Once you enter the general information, click Add Assignment to assign data types to the set template. Note that this form will look the same as the organizational data set template creation form. And again, just like at the organization level, once you select data point type, you'll be presented with additional optional fields for the assignments that will be pre-filled for the data collector. Click Continue to add the assignment to the set template. Once you have added all of your assignments to the set template, click Save Changes. If you wish to add an existing template, you would first select Manage and then Add Existing Template to add a data set template from either your organization or a partner organization on the event. For data collection sets, you set to add to events by default. You do not need to add them manually. So for Add Existing, search for the name of the template you wish to add to this event, and then select Add next to as many templates as you wish to add to your event, and then select Continue when done. The organization level set template will now appear highlighted in green. Select Save Changes to add the template to the event, and that brings us to Managing Data Collection Set Templates. From the Set Templates page, select the magnifying glass icon next to the data collection set that you want to edit or view the details of. From the Details page, you can edit the parameters of the data collection set. You can disable the data collection set so it will not appear on the mobile app for data collectors. You can also copy the data collection set. And finally, you can delete the data collection set. Please note, you cannot delete a data collection set template if data has already been associated with it. If data has already been collected and associated with that data collection set, you will not be able to edit it. The best option is to disable it and copy it to create a new one. And that brings us to data collection set templates on the mobile app. So when using data collection set templates on your mobile app, you want to first begin by searching for and opening the event with the data collection sets on the mobile app. Of course, you're going to want to select Submit Data to navigate to the data collection menu. And then you want to find a data collection set that you need to collect data for. When you open the data collection set, you'll see the instructions and the data you need to collect. Open one of the data points you need to collect, and note if any parameters were pre-filled by the creator of the data collection set template, they will appear in the data collection form as you see here. Once you enter the data point, it will be marked as complete. Continue to enter all data assignments at the same location until they are all marked as complete. And please note, even though the data points are now marked complete, you still must save the data collection set in order for the data to be uploaded to the website. Once you've completed all the assignments, you can choose to add another reading to associate with the data collection set by selecting the plus icon and then choosing the data type you want to submit. Once finished, select the Save icon. So now we move on to viewing and editing data collection sets on your mobile phone, on your mobile device. So once you've collected it, you go back to your event homepage and select Collected Data. You will see the names of the set template and open it to view the details. You will then have the options to view the specific data points associated with the data collection or edit the data points that you have collected. Note that you can also create ad hoc collection sets via your mobile device by selecting the ad hoc dataset option. If you choose to create an ad hoc dataset, the data to collect list will be blank until you add a data point. You can add as many or as few data points as you would like. And that brings us to collecting and viewing set templates via the website. In the event space, expand the data section on the left-hand side navigation and select data collection sets. Note that if your event has more than one data type, data collection sets will be found under all hazards. On a data collection set page, select the blue magnifying glass to view the details of the collected set. On the data collection set details page, scroll down and expand the other records in set to view individual readings. To view the details of the specific data points within the data collection set, click the blue magnifying glass. On the data collection set page, select Create Data Set to collect multiple data points at the same location. Similar to creating an ad hoc set on the mobile app, you will first fill out the general information fields. On the creation form, scroll down to the reading detail section to select an existing data set template or to create an ad hoc. The data to collect table will appear with the assigned data points. You can choose to add another reading to associate with the data collection set by clicking the Add Data Point and then choosing the data type you want to submit. Continue to enter all your data assignments until they are marked as complete, and then click Save. You can also collect data sets from the Record Data page on the left-hand side navigation menu. Please note, you must have at least the data collector role to have access to the Record Data page in CBRNResponder. The Record Data page replicates the Record Data page on the mobile app. Find the data collection set that you need to collect data for, or again, you can create your own ad hoc data set. In the event space, navigate to the event map by selecting Map from the navigation menu. Open the User Data Options tab to view the options for the data points. You can toggle the options on or off. If you unselect the group data into data sets, the icon will show as a number of data points in the set. If you select the data set option, the data sets will not show up on the map. If you toggle the group data into data sets options off, you can expand the icon to view the individual data points. The recording from today's webinar will be available in the CBRNResponder resource library and on our YouTube page. A copy of today's slides and the updated data collection set template job aid can be found in the resource library. If you have any questions after the webinar, you can reach us at support@cbrnresponder.net. Our resource library also has many job aids and videos that can also potentially answer any questions you may have.